Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Tuesday. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We have another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. I do believe it's coming from Honeymoon Home Fashions. Link is going to be down below. We can get one at a low cost. Take advantage of the Amazon Prime's fast and free shipping. And you'll get this in no time. Let's see what it is. Here we go. Cut right there. And we got cut right here. There we go. What do we got here? Oh boy. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. Get the box out of the way. Oh, these are nice. Lasting comfort. Comforter set. Breathable. Ultra soft. Machine washable. Hypoallergic. This is the queen size, 1 comforter, 2 pillow shams. Really nice. We're about to cut it open. And then I'm going to throw it in the wash. And do the full review at the end. You guys will see. You can hear the air coming out. Oh, that's nice. Uh-oh. Look at that. Nice gray color. And I do believe they got other colors, so if you're not into gray, you can just check them out, see what other styles or colors they have. But this is definitely nice. This is a queen size. I never understand why they have this there. I mean, how much trouble can I get into? Do not be removed except by the consumer. Oh, so I can remove it, but they can't because they could get in trouble. Okay, I understand. Honeymoon, check them out. Look at this. You got the comforter right here. Pull that out. Oh yeah. And the pillows should be somewhere in here. Oh, right here. Look at this style. This is nice. Definitely happy for this one. So, YouTubers, this will be a nice Father's Day gift. You guys still got, what, a week left to Father's Day. And like I said, I'm going to throw this in the wash. I always wash my stuff, when I get it in the mail. So, and when I buy it, I always throw it in the wash before I put it on either the bed or clothes like that. But this is going in the wash, and then I'll be back at the end. Show you what it looks like on the queen size 8 sleep mattress. I'll be right back. Alrighty, YouTubers, here we are with the queen size all set up. We got it going on, the comforter and the 2 pillowcases. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. Really comfortable. Definitely get a good night's sleep tonight. These are super soft, just in time for the summertime. And these will be good in the winter time also. So, like I said, this will be a nice Father's Day gift, birthday gift, even a housewarming gift to give to somebody. But definitely check out the different styles or colors they have to offer. But this is a gray. And if you guys need a mattress, 8 sleep, the best mattress that I have ever slept on. But this is really nice. Really soft. Nice threading. There's back. There's the front. Really cool. And here's the pillows. We'll put you guys down right on the pillow. Take a little nap, you know. So we got that going. And there's the pillowcases. So, really nice. There you go. Here's what it, kind of crooked, but I'll fix it later. But that's a really nice set right here. And you guys will get it for yourselves also. All you gotta do is add it to your cart. Get it fast shipped to you. And you guys be safe. Have a good night. And see you soon.